Thomas E. Wilson is a manufacturer of quality equipment made in the USA. Hi, Stephen Hanley, CEO of Thomas E. Wilson, a leading manufacturer of boiler and heat exchanger products located in Long Island City, New York. Founded by my grandfather, Thomas C. Wilson, a chief engineer aboard the USS Leviathan. He saw the need for inventing products for cleaning tubes in all the boilers aboard the ships. Even today, after 100 years, we are still innovators of products and solutions for the boiler and heat exchanger industry. Thomas E. Wilson passed away in 1950. Martha Wilson, my grandmother, took over the company and ran the company as the chairman of the board for 10 years. She brought innovation and drove the company to a different level at a time during the buildup of the U.S. Navy. She led the company until 1960, when my mother was appointed chairman of the board, Jane Wilson Hanley, and my father became president. My father was president until the mid-90s. I became the vice president and then later purchased the companies in 2000. That is why the company history has stayed the same. Even after 100 years, the culture of Thomas E. Wilson still lives within the walls. We have employee awards, innovative products, employees that have been here for over 20 or 30 years, giving themselves to the company every day.
Some of my favorite memories at Thomas E. Wilson are probably our annual Christmas lunches, and we also do quarterly lunches to acknowledge our employees for all their hard work during the year.
The most important moment that it really impacted me is the people I met here, starting with the owner of the company, Stephen Hanley, which I met with him 25 years ago, and he made a really, really good impact in me.
I've had a lot of favorite times and favorite moments, but one that's really impacted me was during a time of uncertainty. The owner really decided to kind of stay with us, made sure that our families was well during that time. Helped us on the payroll, just kind of kept everyone knowing that at the end of the day, we're all going to be safe. It just showed what a family that this place was.
As the industry evolves with new materials and new diameters, Wilson stays ahead of the curve by developing products to meet those needs.
TC Wilson puts customer service at the center of its business model, which establishes trust, brand loyalty, and long-lasting customer relationships.
We sell to 40 to 50 different countries around the world. We handle every inquiry, and our role here is not to sell our equipment, but to become partners with every customer we start doing business.
Everyone here at the company has a tremendous passion in what they do, and it shows in its workmanship.
Wilson has been manufacturing its product in this building that I'm standing in right here since 1943. When I first came here, all 3 floors were being utilized, with machines on the 3rd floor, shipping and offices on the 2nd floor, and then the larger machines on the 1st floor. With our facility here in Long Island City, still manufacturing our quality products, and our dynamic and interactive website, we are prepared for the future of our customers.